Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anthony Wood and this is Shop Mad. In a previous video I made these hanging lanterns with tea lights. Now I want to be able to hang these on the fence of the garden, so I've come up with these brackets and it's got a small hook on the end which will hold the lantern securely to the fence. Now in this video I'm going to be running through how I made these brackets. Let's jump right in and get these brackets made. I'm going to start by milling some hardwood down to 47mm wide by 22mm deep. I'm now just going to make the part that affixes to the fence 250mm long. And the part that holds the hanger at 235mm. I'm now just going to smooth all of the faces so they're nice and smooth. I'm now just going to mark in 35mm from there to here. Now this is where this bracket's going to sit, but I'm going to make some dado in here because it'll create more glue surface area when I put these together. I'm now just going to recess this with a dado and I'm going to make it 10mm deep, and I'm going to do this over at the table saw. Right guys, I've got the dado cut. I'm just going to test fit this piece in. And I'm now going to get this glued up and I'm going to give it a clamp and leave it overnight. While it's gluing, I'm going to make up a brace, a 45-degree brace, which is going to go from here to here. While the glue's drying, I'm now going to make up the cross piece, which is going to be 22cm long or 220mm. Now I'm going to put 45-degree angles on either end, and this is so when it fits in the bracket itself, it'll be at a 45-degree angle. back over to the plane just to smooth out all of the face and sides. Right, I've got the brace made now with the two 45-degree angles on. This is now going to fit here. So I'm going to get this glued up now, clamped in place, and again I'll be leaving it overnight. Hi guys, right, I've got the bracket all made now. It's turned out really well. I've sanded it all down. Now prior to the finish I'm going to drill in 2 holes here and here. Now this is so I can affix it to the fence. Also I'm going to drill a pilot hole here, and this is going to be for the hook so I can attach the lantern. So I'm going to get these holes drilled now. For a finish I'm just going to put a light coat of shellac. Right, so it's all dry now. The shellac finish has just brought out a bit of beauty in the wood. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert a hook. Now I've made sure it goes round the 16mm rope which I used for the candle lanterns. So I'm just going to get this inserted now. Right guys, the lantern bracket is all complete now, so all I need to do now is just attach it to the fence. Right guys, I'm really happy with where the lantern brackets have turned out. If you've liked the video and you've found it interesting and maybe you want to make one yourself, please give me a like, a comment, a share and subscribe. I'm Anthony Wood, this is Shop Mad, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.